Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add profile picture on Spotify. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Spotify application, then get logged into your account. At the homepage of your Spotify, you need to tap on the settings icon on top right of your screen. Inside settings, you need to tap on your profile. Now here you can see the option of edit profile. You tap on it. There you need to tap on change photo. Now you go in for choosing photo, or you can go in for taking a recent photo. For now I'm going to tap on choose photo from my gallery. So you go in for choosing any of the photo that you want to make your profile picture in Spotify. Then you tap on use photo. After you are done, you need to tap on save on top right of your screen. And with that, the profile picture will be added in your Spotify account. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how to add a profile photo on Spotify. Thank you.